Among some students there was a discussion which compound will react more easily with a reduction agent like lithium aluminum hydride. Is it the ester or is it the carboxylic acid? Target molecule is the corresponding hydroxymethyl substituted compound. So, if this would react easier or better, then it would make sense first to hydrolyze the ester and then doing the reduction with the carboxylic acid. But actually this is not a good idea. Lithium aluminum hydride is reactive enough to reduce both this one and that one to the hydroxymethyl compound. But it is much easier with this ester, since lithium aluminum hydride will react first with the carboxylic acid in forming molecular hydrogen, since a hydride will react with the proton first, and what do we get in addition? In principle, a carboxylate. And this carboxylate is very electron rich. It carries a negative charge, and the interaction of this electron-rich compound with an ion with a hydride is, of course, somewhat inhibited. Well, with a lithium aluminum hydride it will work. It will be in the end maybe some intramolecular reaction here that aluminum and ion, lithium cation, transferring the hydride intramolecularly. However, this is still more electron rich compared to the ester, and this one is reacting far more easier with lithium aluminum hydride compared overall with a carboxylic acid. Thanks for listening.